about one more reducing agent, sodium borohydride. In the previous session, we discussed about the lithium aluminum hydride. What are the differences between them and which is a strong reducing agent and what their characteristic properties we'll discuss today. Now, the preparation of sodium borohydride, heating of sodium hydride NaH, trimethoxyborane. Here is a CH3 taken thrice at a temperature of 250 degrees centigrade. Then our required the reducing agent is a sodium borohydride plus the rest of the byproduct is a 3 moles of sodium methoxide is a formed one. This is a sodium borohydride. As far as the structure of the sodium borohydride is concerned, Na plus, B, H, here wedge representation and the dash representation and one hydrogen atom where the magnitude of the charge is a minus, sodium borohydride. What the characteristic properties of the sodium borohydride is a which reduces carbonyl carbon. Here is a RC double bond O R dash is present, which on reduction with sodium borohydride means which transfers hydride ion to the carbonyl carbon atom. Hence, here it gets converted into alcohol as like as the previous lithium aluminum hydride characteristic properties. If it is a ketone is given, then the formed alcohol is a 2-degree alcohol or secondary alcohol. If it is a aldehyde, it forms 1-degree alcohol or primary alcohol. What kind of the mechanism that are suggested for this reaction is a RC double bond O R dash, whereas for the sake of my convenience BH3 Na plus and minus, here is a hydrogen where the polar group is presented, here is a minus and plus. The complete transfer of the hydrogen will take place and it seems to be like a transfer of the hydride ion. RC, here is a R dash, this side is a H, here is a O, and the remaining is a BH3 and Na plus and minus. Again, if it is reacted with the 3 moles of, here the 3 moles of the ketone it is participated. Again, the remaining 3 hydrogens are gets transferred from there and the formed one is RC R dash, here is a HO and it is taken 4 and here is a B minus and Na plus. Now, the formed intermediate which is an hydrolysis to form, the required is a 4 moles of the alcohol is formed. Since it is a ketone, that's what the secondary alcohol is formed, and the remaining is a byproduct. 1 mole of the alkali sodium hydroxide, another mole of a boric acid as the byproduct in this reaction. Now the key points regarding sodium borohydride and how it is distinguishes from the lithium aluminum hydride. Sodium borohydride is a reducing agent, we know well. Reduces by the transfer of hydride ion. Hydride means H minus ion, means hydrogen along with the electron that is migrated to the substrate molecule is nothing but the reactant molecule. Sodium borohydride is a mild reducing agent than compared with the lithium aluminum hydride. Order of the reducing property as concerned between the lithium aluminum hydride and the sodium borohydride. Lithium aluminum hydride is the strongest reducing agent, whereas the sodium borohydride is a mild reducing agent. Sodium borohydride is insoluble in ether, but it is soluble in a polar solvents like alcohol, like water. Those are examples for the polar solvent. Reduction with the sodium borohydride is a more selectively, keep that the concentration, where lithium aluminum hydride is the strongest reducing agent, but the sodium borohydride is a more selectively, where the reducible group is there, that is selectively reduces. Next, it reduces aldehyde, ketone and acid halides in the presence of even the reducible groups are present like nitro, ester, cyanide, epoxide, double bond. Such kind of, if is there any reducible groups are present, those are unaffected. That's what the sodium borohydride is a highly selective reducing agent. Applications of the sodium borohydride, as we know well, that is the selective property of the sodium borohydride is highly important one. Here is the ester functional group is there, here is the ketonic functional group is there. If even though the ester is also reducible group, but without influencing on the ester reduction, it selectively reduces a ketonic group to a methylene group, are also called alkane. Here the ketonic group is there, here is a carboxylic acid group is there, but the sodium borohydride selectively reduces this a ketone into alcohol. Yeah, excuse me. Here is also the ketone is given, it is only gets reduces to the secondary alcohol. Here the two ketonic groups are present, those are selectively gets converted into their alcohols, respective alcohol, that is a secondary alcohols are formed. Here the glucose molecule is given, the glucose molecule on reduction, the aldehyde group is only gets reduced into primary alcohol, then the formed product is called as a sorbitol or also called as a mannitol is a formed product. Here is the important one, here the reducible group unsaturation is there, here is aldehyde is there, but only aldehyde is gets reduced to the primary alcohol, remaining the double bond is as it is. Acid halide is also reduced to the primary alcohol. Reduction of the ozonoid, here the cyclohexene is given, we know well the double bond makes an unstable ozonoid with ozone, that is ozonoid is a formed one, which on reduction with sodium borohydride, the respective primary alcohols are the formed one. Here the reduction of the carbon double bond nitrogen is an important one. As I mentioned earlier, it doesn't influences the cyanide or the nitrile group carbon triple bond nitrogen, but if the double bond N is present, which reduces a double bond N. If the reduction of the diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride on HbF4 forms benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Here if it is on hydrolysis, we will get a special method for the preparation of the fluorobenzene that we call as a Ball-Schiemann reaction, that is if it is hydrolysis. Again if it is reduced by using the sodium borohydride, it forms a benzene, a parent aromatic hydrocarbon.